What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with this Ottocast, and what we're going to do today is we're going to go through the steps on an Android device to update the firmware on the Ottocast. All right, so here are the instructions here. Basically, you need to disable the Bluetooth, forget the Wi-Fi network, which is this Auto DBA, whatever it's called. And then we're going to log into this IP address 192.168.1.101. And then we're going to switch to the P2P. And then we're going to go ahead and get this update done. So let me get that set up on the phone. All right, so here we are with the Auto 7BDA. So the password is going to be 88. So we're going to go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We're going to connect to that. All right, next up we've got the IP address. So that's 192.168.1.101. Go. Okay. Then there's the online update here at the bottom. We're going to hit switch P2P. Okay. There is a new version available. So then, going to hit update. It's going to go ahead and download that firmware. Okay, so I'm actually going to try this on the computer. I'm actually getting an error. Every time I hit the update, I get a failure on the Android. So I'm now using a MacBook. I'm going to see if I can get this to actually download the whole way. Not sure what's causing the issue, but luckily if you have a computer around, you can do the same steps. Log in through the Wi-Fi, select the appropriate wireless name, put the password in, and then do the same steps. So it looks like we're just about the halfway point, which is right where it was failing before. All right, so the Android device failed, the MacBook failed, so that would mean any computer is going to fail. I am now using an Apple device to see if we can get this updated. So we're connected through CarPlay, went to the web address, put in the IP, hit update. Let's see what we get on this. All right, so you can see here that the update actually downloaded. So clearly there's an issue with updating the firmware. Maybe it's just this particular firmware, but getting it updated through an Android device, through a computer, it looks like the Apple platform here was able to quickly do the download, not get hung up. The firmware is done. The unit's rebooting right now. So that's some feedback for Ottocast to hopefully get that fixed when it comes to the Android or other device experience to get this to get the updates done. Because if you don't happen to have an Apple device like I do here, then you'd kind of be stuck trying to get the update done. So the update is completed. The firmware update is done, and it's as simple as that. So it's a simple task, but it seems to be getting hung up for whatever reason. I have no idea, but there you have it. That's the update done. We attempted to do it on an Android device, it failed. We attempted to do it on a Mac, it failed. The same is probably going to be expected on a PC, failed. But the iPhone was able to do the update successfully, so the unit's refreshed, firmware is good to go, and those are the steps. So there you have it. The update is complete. We're connected to the Apple device through CarPlay. Everything is working perfectly fine. No issues there. Let's go ahead and switch over to the Android. We're also connected here on the Android device as well. So there you have it. Update complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.